So many people love New Baltimore, Michigan for a lot of reasons. This beautiful 1,800 square foot ranch is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it backs to some protected wetlands, which means you never have anybody behind you. You can sit on your deck, read a book, drink your cup of coffee, and enjoy it. Baltimore, Michigan, you've got a waterfront community with a quaint downtown. You can enjoy Lake St. Clair. You've got fabulous schools. This home is located close to all the schools. You can ride your bike. They have a lot of events and festivals going on. So many wonderful things about the area. And I'm going to take you to take a look at this home. Beautiful ranch floor plan. Why don't we go in and let's take a look. So how would you enjoy waking up every morning to the birds chirping, this protected wetlands, all serene, relax, nobody behind you?